Hello, my name is Elena Rogers, and this is my Sprint 5 project. It is called Twist Golf, and it was made using Python with front end support from Tkinter. The sounds are supported by Playsound. We use the import random function to randomly select cards from a deck. We use PIL for images and other image handling. So here is the game. The characters flip two cards. And whoever has the lowest score goes first, which is in this case player one. So they can choose to take this 3, and then this player will go and they choose to flip a card. And this player will go, they don't want that 6, so they choose to flip a card. It's the exact same thing, so they discard it. They gather a card. 3 is lower than 8, so they take it. Now it's player one's turn. A 7, they don't want it. Let's go ahead and flip this one. Uh, Draw. Four was there. We'll just skip their turn because things happened. They don't want it. Oh, that person could put there. In golf, when two cards in a row are the same, it counts as 0 points. So this other one is going to say they want the 3 to put there. They want the 2 for here. They wanted to flip a card. They also want to flip a card. Okay, and draw a card. They don't want it. Player 2 draws a card. They also don't want it. Player 3 draws a card, replaces that one. They draw, don't need it, don't want it. 2, it's there. They're going to want that 5 for right there. They draw, it's a 9. Player 2, queen, player. Oh, they definitely want that, so they're going to put this here and end the game. This means that the other team has one turn to make it, and they're going to take that 4 and put it on there. And so they end up with 0 points because all the rows are the same. And this one has rows same, so they have -1 point. So in this case, player 1 would win. So that is how this game is played. So now we will do a walkthrough of the code. We have our global discard flip. These lines 14 and 15 determine whether all the cards are flipped or not. We have the Tkinter frame, which holds the player 1 frame and the center frames. We have flip sound. The discard pile is controlled by a pile top card, which takes the -1 position of discard as its face, which is controlled by get discard. We start out with the pile. It creates the deck and then deals out 6 cards to the player and 1 card to the discard pile. And then there's the draw card function, which it will draw a card, but it also reassigns the card's command functions to be able to choose which card is changed. After that, the fix commands is called, and that fixes the commands so that it returns the non-flipped cards back to their ability to be flipped. And if a card has already been flipped or is face up, then it does not have a command assigned to it anymore. So if you clicked it, nothing would happen. We have the discard prep, which creates the ability to discard. The discard pile choice triggers if the discard pile is clicked, and then it allows the player to put the discard into their hand. Flip card simply flips the cards. And at the end, if we run out of cards, we can shuffle the deck. That is my program. Thank you.